In this video, we are going to discuss the absolutely insane offers I've gotten from the Carnival Players Club. We're going to do a price comparison, and I'll answer the question on everyone's mind. How much money did I lose to get these offers? That and more. So let's get to it. Hello again, everyone. Chris here with Cruising on Comps, where I do my best to share with you some tips and tricks that I've learned along the way that will hopefully land you in that wonderful world of cruising on a discount by way of a casino offer. So as you see some of my offers start to appear here on the screen, I'm going to let you in a little tidbit that you may or may not know when it comes to receiving a casino offer from the Carnival Players Club. The vast majority of the offers that you get can actually be used to book up to 3 separate cruises. So as we focus in on this first offer, I really want you to keep that in mind. This offer can be used 3 separate times for 3 separate cruises, so long as there's availability for those 3 separate cruises. So what I've done is I've pulled up the Carnival Mardi Gras with a sailing for 1 person. And as you can see, I have 2 different itineraries to choose from on the Mardi Gras. One has 3 available dates. The other has 1 available date. So again, I could use this offer 3 separate times, and out of the 4 cruises that it has available, I could actually book 3 of those separately with this offer. So what I've done is I've selected the second itinerary, and it's for dates October 26, 2024 through November the 2nd of 2024. And as you can see on the right here, my total cost out of pocket is $583.12. And of course that includes my port fees, my taxes. It also includes my gratuities and my vacation protection insurance, $583.12. But in addition to that, I also get $200 of fun play credit, drinks on Carnival everywhere on board the ship, and I get $200 of onboard credit back to me, which is my $200 original deposit comes back to me as onboard credit, which I can also use in the casino. It's placed us in an ocean suite, middle of the ship, deck 9, room 9457. So to calculate the value of this, we're going to start with our final price, which was $583.12, and we're going to go ahead and subtract our onboard credit of $200, which we get back. The $200 again I can use in the casino, so I'm just, before I even leave, I'm going to subtract that out of whatever my bankroll would have been going on the cruise. So that brings our total down to $383.12. Then again, I get $200 worth of fun play to play with in the casino. Again, I'm going to be subtracting that out of whatever bankroll I would have chosen to take with me. That brings my total down to $183.12. Then we've got to look at the drinks on us everywhere on board the ship, which is essentially the Cheers package from Carnival that currently runs at $82.54 per day. So for 7 days, the value of that package is $577.78. So what that does is basically says that Carnival is giving me $394.66 worth of value to come cruise with them. If we take everything out of pocket that I spend when I step on board the ship, I'm at a net positive already of $394.66. So automatically, regardless of what happens in the casino, I would have to lose $394.66 in the casino to break even with Carnival. That's crazy. So what you're looking at now is the actual cost of that cruise without my casino offer. $3,409.12. Same cruise, same cabin type, same area of the ship, same deck of the ship. In fact, it's the room right next door to the previous one I showed you. But you have to remember, I had additional things included in my casino offer. So let's actually add that cost to this and see how much I actually save by having my casino offer. So the total cost of the cruise for just the basics, just the cabin, $3,409.12 as we discussed. But in my casino offer, I get $200 back as onboard credit, which I do not receive here. So let's add that $200 back. That brings our total to $3,609.12. Then again, I get $200 worth of fun play. So let's add that back, $3,806.12. Then the Cheers package, 7-day cruise, $82.54 a day, $577.78 total cost. That brings the total cost to get the same thing I'm getting with my casino offer to $4,383.90. So let's remember, the original cost out of pocket for my casino offer cruise was $583.12. That brings my total savings by using my casino offer to $3,800.78. And don't forget, I can use this offer 3 times, which means the value of just this single offer is $11,402.34. How's that for absolute insanity? Now, I know what you're thinking. I know the question. But Chris, how much did you lose? And I'm going to answer that question. But before I do, I would like to take just a moment to ask you, if you find this content valuable, please click that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, ring that bell. It really helps the channel out big time, and I can't thank you enough for doing so. So before I show you my 2023 win-loss statement for Carnival, I do want to make one thing very clear. Number one, I am not affiliated with Carnival in any way, shape, or form. Number two, these are my results. I cannot guarantee that you are going to receive the same results. I'm just going to show you what personally happened with me. Take that as you will. So what you're seeing on the screen is my actual win-loss statement for 2023. As you can see, I took 3 cruises. I took all of them on the Carnival Conquest. They were between 3 and 4 day cruises. And I booked all of these cruises with casino offers. And as you can see, my total win-loss was actually to the positive. My slot win was $1,659.42. Table games was $95. That brought my total winnings to $1,754.42. Now, having said that, I do want to say this. I was very fortunate. Gambling is gambling, and you have to be very careful. Gamble within your means. Do not take more money into the casino than you're willing and can afford to lose. For me personally, this is the way it worked out. Other people, it's going to work out different. Again, that's just gambling. But the purpose of this video is I'm talking about cruise offers on this channel in different possible ways to try to get those cruise offers. So I just wanted to show the types of offers that I have personally received and kind of give some context as to where those offers came from. If you have any questions, you got any comments, anything like that, please leave them down in the comment section below. For now, that's where we're going to leave it, folks. Just want to say one last thing, as I always do. Cruising is definitely awesome, but it is more awesome when you're cruising on a discount. Y'all take care. We'll see you next time.